The Magellan 9550i represents the perfect embodiment of bioptic barcode scanners, delivering the speed and efficiency demanded by today's busy retail operations. Say goodbye to long wait times and delays during checkout. Experience greater scanning performance and lower power consumption in both attended and self-checkout, guaranteeing increased productivity, reducing queues and improving customer satisfaction. With 45% faster 2D scanning and 14% faster 1D scanning than the previous generation, benefit from increased productivity thanks to precise reads on the first pass, even on damaged barcodes. Enjoy greater energy efficiency for a longer product lifecycle and enhanced sustainability. Consuming less than 3 Watt of power, that of a typical LED light bulb, but still maintaining superior speed and performance. Be future ready, with full support for GS1 Digital Link, the next generation of barcode, facilitating superior and complete product traceability. Effortlessly drops in as a replacement for previous generation Magellan scanners and is fully compatible with existing accessories. Built for durability, able to withstand everyday liquid spills and bumps associated with the most demanding retail environments. Achieve even greater loss prevention thanks to the super accurate always platter, an optional and bonnet color camera for image capture, and support for EAS tag deactivation. These features reduce shrinkage, protect high-value items, resulting in an improved customer experience. Protect your investment by adding an ease-off care contract to suit your needs for up to 5 additional years of peace of mind. The 9550i joins the globally renowned Magellan range from Datalogic, setting new standards against which all retail checkouts are measured and providing even greater ROI. Discover the powerful and affordable new Magellan 9550i from Datalogic.